Hey, JP here. Got a problem with your indicator on your Mercedes, your turn signal LED has blown. There's some water got in there and it's not working. Want to find out how to save some money and fit it yourself? Watch my video now. I'll show you how to do it. Hello, I've got a Mercedes-Benz E350 Sport 2010 W212 model, and the right hand side, driver's side, LED indicator has packed up on it. It's got a bit of moisture in there, so the seal's gone, and so I'm going to have to replace this unit inside the housing here, which fits on the outside of the mirror there. Mercedes-Benz wanted £140 for this part with that, but I purchased online on eBay this for £20 from a company in China apparently, and anyway, it arrived today. Said it was going to take 2 months, but it only took less than a week, which I'm really pleased about. So what do I need? Well, I popped this off already. There's already online tutorials on how to do that, so I didn't bother with that one. I said, but it's really easy. You just literally lift it all off, being careful of the mirror position. So now I've got to undo a couple of screws inside, and then fit the new one, and it should be all up and working. What I do need is a little one of these, which has a little like star shape on it. It came, actually I had it already. It was in a Black & Decker drill bit set I had, and they just literally pop into here. So I'm gonna try and do this now. I did have a wrench with me just in case, one of these to undo if they were a bit tight, but I've just gone to do that, and that was finger tight, so I'll undo this one here. That's one. Two screws. I can't see that there are any other screws there. So that's good. That's good. Let's just have a good look. Is that one? That might be a third. No, that's not one. Right. This is just clipping off at the moment. See, I've never done this before. I'm not a trained engineer. Or technician. So we'll see. It's literally a case of manoeuvring it. Okay, right. That's the old one out, and I don't know if you can see there, but there is that's all the condensation. So the seal's gone on it somewhere, and here's the replacement. I've not done this before, so I'm hoping this all works. As I said, it's all first time for me. So let's see, that seemed to go into there as it came out first. Let's have a look. Yep, well, that's just slotted in perfectly. Slotted in perfectly there. What is this? Into there. That's clipped. One more bit. That's there. Into place. Looks good, looking good. Right, I'm going to Go for putting the screws back in now. It's probably quite difficult to see there, but it's all very straightforward when you take it apart. The reason why I decided to do this video is because I couldn't find a video on YouTube to do this. So that's one in. This will be the second one. They told me at the garage that it would it was 140 quid for the part. That's if I fitted it myself, which obviously was clip on, clip off as such, the whole thing, but they could fit it for me for an extra 35 quid. So as you can appreciate, I'm probably saving a fair bit at the moment here by doing this myself. Right, that they both seem tight enough now. Right, that's all on there, and all fitted the same. So we'll walk round to the car and see if we can get it fitted. See if it works. That was now clipped back in its place, so I'm going to put the key in, put my hazards on. Now let's hope, yep, there we go, that's all working. There we go, job done. Hopefully you can do the same now. Pop online, order the parts, and fit them yourself. Literally 15 minutes, job done. That's a fabulous saving. So hopefully you found it useful. If you have, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see any more videos like this, drop them in the comments below and I'll see if I can do them for you. Also, you know, why not subscribe? If you subscribe, you can turn on that bell. So I hope it's been useful. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you around.